I just came across Deposit Photo's new feature that allows you to upload any image and have the background removed online almost immediately. At this point in time, there seems to be no cost involved in using Deposit Photo's background removal feature, and you can download the resultant picture with the background removed immediately thereafter. Okay, so you visit this URL, and I'm going to put this URL in the description below. And you can either click the upload image button that you see here or drop your image anywhere in this box area. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to drop a few images here. So let's take one of these images and drag and drop it here. It's uploading at this point in time, and almost in a few moments you will see the background has been removed. So you can upload JPEG or PNG images. The only limitation is that the pictures you upload should not exceed 15 megabytes in size. So this shows you the removed background variation of the picture. If you want to see the original, you can click on the button that says original here. And want to see how it removed, you can click on the remove background button. You want to see both of them, you can just drag this arrow over here and you can see how the removal has taken place. So it's done a good job, but you can see that the thread here is also being removed. And you can download the image almost instantly thereafter. Let's try with another image. I'm just going to close this picture that we used a while ago. And now I'm going to use this particular image. Now all these images that I'm using are essentially from Deposit Photos, but you could use any other image including your own images. Let's go and see. It's a better job than what was happening earlier, although you can see some parts here which are not very well done, but that's because there's not much difference between the background and the foreground over here. Let's go and try again. So again, this is done pretty well. Everything's done well, other than two of our fingers have also been removed here, as you can see. So let me close this as well and go and try with something of their own sample images. Let's go and use this one. This seems to fare better. So what's great about this feature that it is free. Plus you can use any picture. It does not have to be your any picture that you get from Deposit Photos. So hope you like this feature where we explore a cool feature that can help you create better presentations. Do comment and like this post and subscribe to our channel. Have a safe and rewarding day.
Explore more concepts at InDesign.com.
InDesign.
Make better presentations fast.